Hi again, guys. We are back again with another slang quiz. So this week I have a new guest. This is Mizuki, one of our students.
Nice to meet you.
So basically what we're going to do, Mizuki, I will give you 3 slang terms that we use in English. Now, one of them is kind of like more for the young people, I guess, but the other 2 you can use just about any situation.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, are you ready, Mizuki?
Okay,
Yeah?
ready.
So again, if you don't know, you can ask me for examples and I can try to give you hints. And if you still don't know, that's completely fine. I'll explain it.
Got it.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Here's our first one. What does it mean to nail something?
Nail.
Nail something.
Nail, like nail.
Not nails, no.
I have no idea.
Do you want an example sentence? Okay.
Okay.
So for example, I'm sure you're going to nail your IELTS test.
Prepare.
So if you prepare, what's the result?
What's the result? Ready. No.
What's the result on the test?
Get the score.
What kind of score?
Okay. Good.
A good score. Yeah. So if you nail something, it means you do it perfectly right. Yes, you do really well on it. Yeah. But actually, sometimes we use this sarcastically. So for example, if you mess up really bad, your friend might be like, nailed it. So we use it sarcastically like this too. Yeah. Good. All right. We'll do the next one then. What does it mean to ditch something?
Ditch. I have never done.
So for example, like, Mizuki, I'm so bored. We should ditch class.
Skip.
Exactly. We should skip something. Yeah. Yeah. So to skip an event such as class could even be like you could ditch work, but don't ditch work. Bad idea. But we also use it sometimes like ditch someone. If you ditch someone, means you leave them behind. So there have been a few times I've been out with friends and we forget one friend, and they're like, guys, why did you ditch me? Yeah. You ready for the last one? Okay, the last one is a kind of adjective. Lit.
Lit.
So that's the original meaning. Lit.
Yeah.
So if I say someone is lit or that place is lit.
Not good. Opposite. Lit. Insane.
Yeah, like insane. Yeah, or excellent. Yeah, very good. Yeah. So originally it actually meant that someone is drunk. So like early 1900s, 1930s, 1940s, they would use this to mean someone that is a little bit drunk, a little bit tipsy. So they're getting lit. Yeah. And sometimes now we still use it in that way, but recently it means more like something is exciting. So maybe if we're walking together, I'm saying like, oh, that restaurant looks pretty lit. It means it looks exciting or looks like fun.
Interesting.
Yeah. This is kind of more for young people. You'd be okay if you use it.
I should use.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us today, Mizuki.
Thank you. Yeah, it was fun.
All right. Thank you guys so much. See you next week.
See you.